Happy Valentine's Day. Good morning, everybody. I am filming a Valentine's Day get ready with me this morning because it's Valentine's Day and it's 6:43 and I'm going to do a look for school today because afterwards I'm hanging out with Chandler, so I want to not have to come home and then get ready. I might as well just get ready now. So let's chat. Let's do this thing. It's pretty early right now and I'm honestly running late on time, but that's okay. I'm literally basically doing literally the things I always do. But hey, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasminebateman. You know, I seem a little off this morning because it's early, but we like to get things done around here, you know? So I thought it would be fun to film a little Valentine's Day get ready with me because I'm gonna do a little look, I guess you could say, so why not film? I don't exactly know what outfit I'm gonna wear, kind of have an idea. Going in with the CC cream. So I'm thinking of doing like a vlog of later because me and Chandler are gonna go do stuff tonight. We're probably gonna go eat out at a fancy restaurant or something. Maybe not fancy, who knows, but we're gonna go eat tonight. That's gonna be fun. I don't really know where exactly. It might be a little surprise. He has under his sleeve. I don't really know exactly where we're gonna eat, but he has something planned, which I'm excited for. And I have some gifts for him, and it's gonna be fun, except for the school part. But you know, like today's one of those days at school, whenever it's like a holiday, everything's like going wild. It's a Thursday today, but it doesn't really feel like a school day today. Half of one of my classes like went on a field trip. So, like in that class, we're like not gonna be doing anything, but just chilling today. I'm using my concealer brush right now because I realized that if you guys watched this lighting is really bad, honestly. Anyways, if you guys watched my Tech Week of My Life video, whenever my face got swollen, I realized that it was from my beauty blender. Isn't that wild? So I threw my beauty blender away and now I'm using my concealer brush for my foundation because I have yet to buy a new beauty blender or whatever I'm gonna start using for my face because honestly that really scared the crap out of me and I don't know if I ever want to use the beauty blender again because it was nasty. Whatever. So yeah, happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I'm honestly really surprised that my second year in a row with Valentine. You know, I thought he'd leave me by now, but hey, look where we are. Pretty exciting, honestly. Now I'm using my setting powder. I'm trying not to get ready too slow because I do have school today. And I leave my house at 10:30. It's 7 right now. Still have to make my coffee and all. I got my mom garden chocolate, so I have to bring that upstairs and pack my lunch for school. There's still a lot of things that I have to do, but I'm sitting here filming the get ready with me video like I have all the time in the day, but I don't. I'm so freaking tired. Okay, now I'm going in my bronzer. Oh my god, you guys probably are hating this because I literally do the same thing for I need new makeup. So I had like burned my face. You can still kind of see it right here. And it looks like I just like don't know how to blend my contour. So in my last video, a lot of people that like didn't obviously watch the full video through whenever I said I burned my face were commenting like, oh, you know, blend your contour. And I was just like, it's not contour. I burnt my face with my curling iron. I don't have my curling iron. I left it at Chandler's house. Shit. What am I gonna do? I hate straightening my hair. I look nasty with straightened hair. Poop. Boop, doop. I need another wand. Honestly, I don't really like that wand anyways. You can keep it. Maybe I'll use my InStyler, just like the old days. I'm using these Glossier Cloud Paint. Oh, yeah. High Beam by Benefit. Do. People are gonna be like, why is her face beat today? Like, what is she trying to do? She's trying to get a Valentine at school. I'm gonna look around like, no honey, it's beat for myself. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's talk about my meet and greet. I had a meet and greet last Sunday and it went spectacular, to be honest. I was like super nervous, you guys. Like I was like extremely nervous, like weirdly nervous. Like I was like in the car like having a panic attack and I was like not ready to go inside. Like I did not want to go inside whenever I got there. And I just like walked in and there was already so many people there at like 3:30 and I was like, what the heck? These people don't have lives. Why are they here to see me? Just kidding. But like, you know, like I was just very surprised that people actually like wanted to come. Like I figured people would be like, that's weird. People were probably hardcore judging me because I don't have enough subscribers to be doing a meet and greet. It wasn't my idea to host one, okay? So don't roast me. Thank you. I'm thirsty. Still have to do my hair. I'm using my Goof Proof Benefit Brow. Yes. Sorry, I can't talk whenever I do my eyebrows because I'm in deep focus because these critters are horrendous, honestly, and like they're so hard to do because they have no type of shape to them, so I have to like try my absolute hardest. I have to try on my brows more than anything. Next, going in with the Glossier Boy Brow. This is my favorite product that I think I own, honestly, besides my CC cream. In cosmetics, you guys are the best. So what are you guys' Valentine's Day plans? Why don't you leave me a few comments down in the comments section below. Let me know what your Valentine's Day plans were. I'm really looking forward to reading them. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Naked because there's a lot of pinks and golds, which those are Valentine's Day colors, right? We're going to do a look with them. I'm gonna use this color in this part of my eye, I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna use this on my lid with this on top, and then I'm gonna go on some sparkles and carry it into, look, I can't talk makeup, okay? I'm just gonna do it, and with those colors I showed you. Good. I feel so low energy, so I feel like this video is never gonna get posted because I'm gonna hate it. What you gonna do with all that ass? All that ass? What you gonna do with all that? When there's no one around, listen. It's actually turning out to be pretty cute, not gonna lie. Girl. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Getting done with you, yeah. Alright, eyeshadow's done. I'm gonna try something cute, hold on. Actually, no, I'm not. All right, now it's mascara time and we're done with the makeup. Oh shit. Crap. Okay, mascara is done now too, and the final thing that I love to do after every single makeup look is put on some of my Glossier lip gloss. Just look at that. Okay, makeup is done. Now it's time for hair, but I really have to speed up this process because your girl's gonna be late for school, TBH. Let's get to cooking my hair. I'm gonna be using my InStyler today because I don't have my curling iron. I left it at Chandler's house. So basically I'm just gonna go over it. Oh my god, this is so weird. I forgot how to curl my hair with this thing. I guess I'll just rub it around this. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna brush through it, like straighten through it, and then do some big waves. Just the usual. I don't really do anything besides big waves. So just an update, it's actually not going as bad as I thought it was going. The curls are looking pretty cute, so I'm really liking this, to be honest. All right, time to do the last layer and then we can get onto the outfit. I'm like so excited for today because everyone brings like candy and like chocolate for each other. I'm just like so excited. Okay, my hair is done. I did some big waves, but it's a lot curlier than it usually is. So this would be something different. I did like some like big curls. Kind of liking it. I mean, it's a little girly for Valentine's Day, I guess. Yeah, this is the hair and makeup look. Now I'm gonna go put on my outfit and then get ready for school. So this isn't like the most dressy outfit in the world, but this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this pink off the shoulder sweater. This is from Princess Polly and it's like a really bright pink, and then I'm wearing this like bralette underneath that kind of like shows in the front and the back, which is from the Impeccable Pig, as well as this necklace. And then I'm wearing just regular black skinny jeans and then my white Doc Martens because I mean it's school, so I don't want to be like too dressed up, but like this is like borderline too cute for school, not gonna lie. But yes, that is the final look, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and head to school now. I'll probably add some like hoops in for like later whenever I go out to eat, or like a necklace. I might even change my shoes to like a fancier boot or whatever. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to stick around a little bit more often, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.